Okay children, continuing further with lesson number 6, integers for standard 6 maths. Today we are going to start with exercise 6.1 of your textbook, page 120 and 121. Now question 1 is write opposites of the following. Means you have to change the words into its opposite words. Now here number A is increase in weight. So what is the opposite word of increase? Decrease. So decrease in weight. 30 kilometers north. What is the opposite of north? South. So 30 kilometers south. 80 kilometers east. So what is the opposite of east? West. So 80 kilometers west. Loss of rupees 700. Loss opposite is profit. Loss means when we have a suffer of money, when the money is spend more and earn less, that is a loss. So its opposite is profit. How you are going to say about profit? Profit is when we earn more and when we spend less. So opposite of loss is profit of rupees 700. 100 meter above sea level. Above means above the sea level. Now the opposite of above is below. So 100 meter below sea level. Moving on to question number 2. Represent the following integers or the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Now we have two signs to be used, plus and minus. But where to use plus and where to use minus? When we are having something increase or when it is above, we go for plus. When we have the things decreased or when we have the thing below is minus. I move on to question number 2a. An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above the ground. Above means, suppose this is a ground and it is above, but obvious the aeroplane flies in the sky. So it is more above the ground. So above, when the word is used, we always use the plus sign. Children, please just remember, when you write only 2000 without adding a plus sign, that means this digit 2000 is positive or with a plus sign. But here, as to indicate specifically, I had written plus. But if you are not writing plus and if you write only 2000, that indicates that 2000 is with plus sign only. Only the numbers which have minus sign before them, that are the negative numbers, have to specify with minus sign. So please remember. B. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Now below is going into the deep into the sea. So that is below means it is decreasing. So minus 800. And negative numbers are always written with minus sign. Positive numbers, if you do not write plus, it will work. That indicates that they are positive. Okay. Deposit of rupees 200. Children, what is the meaning of deposit? Deposit is when we have the money and we keep it safely in the bank, right? So that money is ours, that we give to bank to safely keep it with them. So when we deposit the money, it increases our bank balance, right? Suppose I have 400 in my bank balance and I add 200. So now 4 plus 2 becomes 600. So my bank balance had increased. So deposit is plus 200 or only 200, that indicates it is positive number. Now withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means when you take money from the bank balance with the help of the transaction. Suppose I have 600 rupees in my bank balance with the bank, and now out of 600 I withdraw 300 rupees from the bank. So now my balance will not be 600. Now the balance will be reduced from 600 to 300. So withdrawal is a number with negative sign. So minus 700. Now here question 3. You have to represent the numbers on the number line they had given. You can see here positive numbers are on the right side of a number line, negative integers on the left side of the number line. But here only they had given one integers or numbers. I had just gone with the, if the number is positive, I had gone only with the positive integers. If the numbers are negative, with 0, compulsory we have to represent 0 on a number line, and then either you can move on to the left side with the number line for negative numbers, or you can move to the positive numbers on the right side. Plus 5, definitely it is on the right side, so with 0 I had shown on the right side. Minus 10, with 0 I had shown on the left side the negative integers, and 10 I had specified with a circle. Plus 8, that is positive, again move on to right. Minus 1 and minus 6 are the negative numbers, so that will go on to the left side of a number line. Children, as I am not having a space enough here to solve question number 4 and 5, I had come on to question number 6. Then after I am moving on to question number 4 and 5. But please first understand question number 6. Write integers that come on the right side of the number line. On the number line, which number come on the right? See, this is a pair given 2, 9. Now out of 2 and 9, which number comes on the right side of the number line? Always on the right side of the number line, the number which is bigger will come on the right side of the number line. Now you can easily compare 2 and 9, which is bigger? 9. So 9 will come on the right side of 2, right? Minus 3 and minus 8. Children, here if you see without minus sign, but obvious 3 is smaller than 8. But in negative integers, it is opposite of it. Minus 3 and minus 8. Now minus 3 is bigger compared to minus 8. Why? Because it is having minus signs. And this is a rule for negative numbers. The number which is smaller but with a negative sign is bigger compared to the number which is having a minus sign with the number, but it looks greater, but it is not. This is little bit confusing, but please understand. Minus 3 and minus 8. Now here both the numbers are negative. So the rule is that whichever the number is smaller containing negative integer, negative sign will be bigger. So out of minus 3 and minus 8, which number will come on the right side? Minus 3 will come on the right side of minus 8. I can just show you here. See, this is minus 8, right? This is smaller compared to minus 3. So minus 3 is going which side? From left it is moving to right side. So minus 8. Minus 3 comes on the right side of minus 8. This is right side. This is left side. Okay, 0 and minus 1. But obviously 0 is bigger. So it will come on the right side of minus 1. Now, minus 11 and 10. But obviously negative integer is smaller than a positive integer. So 10 will come on the right side of minus 11. Minus 6 and 6. That is positive 6. Or positive integer will come on the right side of minus 6, and 1 and minus 100. Even though 100 is bigger, but it is having a negative sign, so definitely it is smaller than positive number 1. So 1 will come on the right side of minus 100. Hopefully this is clear to you. Moving further with question number 4.